So you're looking for the power. What the fudge?
There's one. These ones are working.
Yeah, but there's what light coming in? Oh, it's probably here. Yeah. This is the indicator. Try this wire. In here.
Yeah, that one.
Freaking green. Turn that on. Try this one. What's these ones? Yellow here. Put in the yellow one. Wait. Oh, can't. Up here. This is it, eh? This one. Try. Pull it apart, yeah. Yeah, that's on this one. This is where the power will be coming up from here. Damn. Are you serious? What the hell is this? Change the gear. Change the gear. Wait. Yeah. The gear light number on?
Oh, yeah, I press the shit. Doesn't show any light.
Have a look.
Nope. Yep. That one's on
What number is that?
3.
Four?
That thing.
3,
3.
2, 1. Rev. Yeah.